Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. And today I'm gonna do some what do you call it? I'm gonna herd animals. I've already done 5 already, but I think I've done 7 because I herded up some foals. I don't even remember. I did a lot though, and yeah. But, so, I don't know where they are, but I have a feeling I know where they are, because they're usually around here, or they're down by the Fairgrove Beach. I found a donkey. Okay. Oops. The donkey is lost. Okay. So I'm gonna go this way. Just so that I can find other animals. Whoa. Whoa. I slid. But I'm looking. Okay, the donkey keeps making noises and it's kind of annoying. So. But. Okay, there's a cow over here. Wait, what? What? Why is the cow going that way? Okay, we'll come back for you, cow. So, I'm taking the donkey. I'm going to go this one back to Mary. I'm eating watermelon. I don't know why the cow won't follow you, but the donkey and the cow will, so it's kind of weird. My least favorite thing to do is the chickens, because they won't follow you. You have to go to the merchant, which I don't know where that is. So, I don't know what I do with the chickens. Okay, go this way. Cow, no! Go this way. You need to stay, no, keep going. Yeah, go over it, oh my. Okay, well, let's see if we can guide it. No, oh my. What the heck? I'm trying to record. Okay, I'm really don't recording. I didn't do this. Okay. Okay, let's chase this cow back to the ranch. Go this way. This way. Good cow. This way. No. How are you going? This way. This way. Okay, well. Oh my. Oh, cow. This way. Okay, I hate the cows in this game. They're so stupid. Oh my gosh. Just go. Go to the ranch. No. It's trying to avoid me. Go where you came from. Go back to where you came from. Over there. But I need to just not stay out. I need to follow the cow. Okay, this is going well. This is going so well. No, no, no! No! Where are you going? This way. No, 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 no. No, this way. Cow, go this way. This way. This way. Okay, well, we're going this way, I guess. Okay, we did it. Okay, where's that donkey at? Did the donkey seriously run away? Okay, no. It's still there. Okay. Well, we did that. This watermelon is so crunchy. Is it just me or watermelon so good? Even though I literally can't taste anything because I got tested, but I don't actually know where other animals are. But oh, I'm dropping watermelons everywhere. It's going into my legs, oh my gosh. Wait, I just saw something. Please don't tell me it was just a lamppost. I have no clue where the animals are. Oh my gosh. Hold on, I'll be back. Oh my gosh. I don't know what horse to buy. Because I really like this one. But I also really like these two. Like these two. So I don't know what to do. But wait. I kind of want to do some shopping. I'm gonna look at bridles. Oh wow, this is really nice. I really like this. I might buy this, I think. I'm just gonna look at. Do I want this one though? Because this exact one has been on my wish list. So I don't know what to do. Oh wait, there's also like a saddle pad that I really like. I think it was pink. But like I don't really know. Oh, I really like this one. I really like actually like all three. Oh my god, this one is so expensive. They're all expensive, but is this the one? Yes, this is the one. But I don't know if I want to buy. Okay. And picked up the two. Okay. I'm just gonna go like. I don't know. I think I might buy these three. Because like that's very pretty. And this is very pretty too. So let me show the previewed. Okay, how much? Wait, what? I don't want to preview these. Okay, I don't know, oh my gosh. But I already have a similar bridle, so I don't really need this bridle. So, oh my gosh, I don't really know. Oh my gosh. I like this one too. I really don't know. I really don't know. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh. Hold on, I'm gonna go. But guys, that's the end of this video. Come back for part 2 when I actually spend some star coins on some tech. Bye!